Hello, and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your mineralogy teacher, Jen, and it's time for Monday's mineral. Today's mineral is celestine. It has a chemical formula of SrSO4. It can be white, pink, pale green, pale brown, black, pale blue, reddish, or grayish. It can also be colorless or lightly tinted in transmitted light. It is often found in the tabular or prismatic form, or pyramidal form. I can read my own writing. But it can also be fibrous, lamellar, earthy, granular, or massive. It has perfect cleavage on one plane, good cleavage on another, and poor cleavage on a third. It fractures unevenly, and it's pretty brittle. It has a hardness similar to anhydrite, so about a 3 to 3.5 on the most hardness scale, which means if I really wanted to, I could scratch this with my fingernail, but I'm not going to because it's pretty and I don't want to. It has a vitreous to pearly luster, and what you're seeing right now with the way the light's bouncing off this particular specimen is vitreous or glassy. It has a white streak and can be transparent to translucent. Now, celestine, like other sulfates we've seen, is found in sedimentary evaporite deposits, and it's often associated with gypsum, anhydrite, and halite. Now, sometimes it can also be found with sulfur inclusions, just meaning that sulfur's been trapped within the crystal matrix. Celestine is the main mineral ore for the element strontium, so it's very important because we use strontium to make vivid red fireworks and flares for rescue. So, important stuff. And if you like what you're seeing right here, this is something I'm in the process of making and completing, but this is part of a build your own element, periodic table of elements. So there will be 118 of these that you can put together. So if you want one, reach out. Fun thing you can do with your kids. In the meantime, celestine is also a very popular collector's item for people who like collecting minerals, like me. And I mean, can you blame me? Look how pretty this is. It's so pretty. One of my favorite facts about this is that there's this little group of microfossils called radiolarians, and within that group there is a class called Ancatheria, which is these guys, and they use celestine to make their skeletons, as opposed to the rest of Radiolaria, which uses silica or quartz, which is pretty cool. And if you want to know more about radiolarians and other microfossils, you can check out the microfossil video I made last month, because it's always fun to learn about the itty-bitty things too. Well, thanks for coming to today's lesson. Hope you had fun and learned a lot. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for some fun trivia, and I will fossilize you later.